week that wasn't. Completed 6, what, 7?
Yeah, Pandya.
15 years of the week that wasn't.
Great celebration. We have lots of fun.
15 years of the week that wasn't. Today, this episode, this weekend. In fact, the government of India has declared it a public holiday for some reason. That's how great we are. That's how we have reached. Thank you so much, India. India, we thank you. And let me introduce someone who was our mentor. Take a look at the guy who's helped us behind the scenes.
Hi, Mr. Bhatt, big fan. I'm Cyrus, and if you just hold the mic for a second, just want to ask you a couple of questions. This is Mohit. He's
Hi.
Yeah, he's the producer who fitness freak, and that's Pawan.
Hi, Pawan.
Newly married, 16, 18 years old. So I want to just ask you a question because, of course, you're the legend. You've done so much work, and I've noticed you talk on channels. You seem to have an opinion on everything. Everybody knows that. Can you help us enhance our show because we need to take it to the next level? So what are the and please be frank and candid. What are the things we can do to get better? Just whatever you say will be welcome.
You want me to talk to you brutally?
Brutally, honestly,
You can take it?
I will just accept it.
It requires two people to complete the truth. One who can say it, the other who can take it. Okay? So you can take it?
I've got more than that.
Can you take it?
Yeah.
Can you take it?
We'll try, sir.
You're just married, right? Okay. Now, you see, the problem with all communication business is that you do not know what you're trying to communicate. And when you do not know what you're trying to communicate, you go blah, 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 blah. And the people with whom you hope to establish some communication lines, they just leave you and go away. And then you sit down one day and wake up and find that you are talking to yourself alone in the room and everybody has left the room. And then what comes back to you is your own voice, and you think it's people who are talking to you. And you don't realize that the essential thing for all communication is to stay in touch with the heartbeat of the people with whom you're trying to communicate.
Sorry, the mentor was not Mahesh Bhatt. That was Pawan. You may have misunderstood. Pawan is a bearded guy who doesn't have any emotion. He used to be our producer and mentor, but now he's moved on to great things. He moved on to, I think he was with a sports channel. And of late, he's a marathon runner. That's what he's doing for a living. So stay with the show or God help you. It's called The Week That Wasn't. People, today we celebrate 15 years. Not my wife and me. Sadly, that's much more. Much more. 15 years of TWTW, The Week That Wasn't. So today we want to honor you, the faithful viewer, and I mean singular, by giving you a shorter show. I thought you'd like that. 15 years, that's the length of MS Dhoni's career, or my daughter's age next year, or 3 Modi governments in a row. Sorry, Mamta, what happened there? What didn't like that? I won't do that again. I won't do that again. But we learned so many truths during these 15 years. Like we learned that the funniest guy in comedy is on another news channel. Ever, watch the finger, ever say that to me on my show. Watch it. This is my #1 show. Smarter. I am smarter than the Mumbai police. I am smarter than the CBI. I am smarter than the Interpol, Scotland Yard, the FBI, CIA, KGB put together. They say there's a similarity. I think only in personality. Only in personality. When we started in 2006, Rahul Gandhi was still trying to find his feet in politics. Today, in 2021, he's still trying to find his feet in politics. I mean, why? Why? Now let's meet our crew, folks. What do they think of working on TWTW? Let me tell you something about them. They love me, they love the show, and they cried when it was suspended for 1 week because we had terrorist attacks and things like that. They cried on the phone saying, Kyun, bhai? They love it so much. Let's meet production assistant Vaibhav Chavan.
मजदूरी की बात है.
I know what he really means to say. Sometimes intelligent people just say the opposite. It's all about that. Just read it yourself. Here's the online editor Sachin Krupp, who is my closest companion on the show.
सबसे वर्स्ट और सबसे खराब डिसीजन है
खराब डिसीजन है.
I think he misunderstood the question. I'll have to go back and just check that out. He didn't understand what we were trying to say. That's just a communication issue. We'll figure it out. Here's our cameraman, Shyam Bansode.
मेरा अल्सर चालू हो गया.
Why is he telling us that? And then there's Prakash JR.
Don't blame me for this. Blame me for this. Blame me for this.
And that's because of insurance issues. Don't get involved. It's a personal, internal thing. Our sound guy, the one and only Matosh.
इसे साउंड इंजीनियर, इसीलिए मैं दूसरी जगह अप्लाई किया है. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट.
We recorded this in 2006, so abhi bhi ruka hai. He's in line, he's in queue. Let's see what happens. We started with barely 50 viewers, and today I can proudly say we are down to 44. Because of the pandemic, because of the two lockdowns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But they are watching from above and they have nice things to say. I mean, what are they watching? I mean, really. But 15 years is a long time. So what we decided to do is look back at our careers in the show, our performances in the show. And I must say, here's the gang. Gopal, Kunal, Mohit, myself, and of course, Kaneez is not there, but she's sort of there as well. So you'll get to meet all of us and hear the personal insights about what it's like to work on The Week That Wasn't for 15 years. Here it is. Yes! 15 years! 15 years of The Week That Wasn't. And everybody's calling. I put the phone off. Sorry, guys, I can't take any calls right now. And I want to do this entire show as a tribute to ourselves because we deserve it. 15 years. Not 30, 15. Only 15. And I've got with me actors, the people who are the heart and soul of the show. Let's say it's 60-70% me and 30% Kunal, Gopal, Kaneez and Mohit. Kaneez unfortunately could not make it on time because she's stuck in some fashion modeling show that she's doing right now. But she sends us her best wishes. Plus we don't have enough space for 4 actors and me. So we had to remove one person. Guys, let's talk to them. Let's talk to them immediately. Let's begin with... firstly, let's say hi to everyone. Kunal ji, hello. Hi. Gopal ji, hello. Hi. Mohit, hi. No ji.
Hello. Hi.
Stop behaving like idiots. Stop behaving like morons. And let's be honest and open about this. Let's discuss each career over 15 years. Let's start with Kunal because of age. And we better do it fast because he is aging as we speak.
पिया तू अब तो आ जा. I'm Ladakh only. 33 years, Ladakh only. Not one bloody ounce more.
Huge, it's huge.
आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू.
Kunal ji, look back and tell us about your illustrious career on Week That Wasn't, how you feel and where you've come so far.
I don't know where I have come, but I feel that I have not been given the opportunity to actually show my talent. I have been...
But 1 second, you write your own gags. So what do you mean? I don't understand. What does that mean?
Yeah, but I still, you overshadow me all the time and I'm always written into a...
Yes, sahi baat hai. I cannot argue that point. I'm a dominating personality, a tall tower of a person, and sometimes that...
See, you're overshadowing me
I'm
again.
overshadowing.
Again, you're
And
not
this
letting
is-
me talk.
Or ye genetic baat hai, because this is something I can't control. It's in the DNA. I apologize completely. But you
And I also want to occasionally appear as myself in the way I look nice. Like this, nice.
No, I'll tell you, dear
Makeup,
viewer,
mustaches, I'm tired of them.
No, we cannot afford to do that because you are very boring as yourself. People fall asleep.
Are you bored now? Are you bored now?
Yeah, he's gone to sleep. Camera 3 has gone to sleep already. But when we put you in a sari, what a change happens immediately. It's fantastic. And he wears nothing below, by the way. The show is limited. We can't show you everything. If we could, wow. Can't tell you. Anyway, any last words then? Any standout performances that you remember of Kunal Vijayekar in The Week That Wasn't?
15 years, I have forgotten every performance that I ever did.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you wouldn't say this one better than that one?
There are ones that I did, but now they are too dangerous to do now.
Why the makeup was horrific?
No, the makeup man changed.
All right. Final words. How has your career helped? How has it helped your career rather?
I lost lots of work. Lots of work I've lost because every Thursday, Friday I've had to come here. Lots of 2 films I've lost, 3 films a month.
In 15 years, you lost 2 films.
Yeah, 2 other television
In
shows.
15 years, you lost 2 television shows.
Yeah,
What career.
3 trips to England gone.
In 15 years, you lost 3 trips to England.
Yes.
I don't know how you lost trips to England. I don't know how even that
And
connects.
1.5 marriage. I was supposed to get married and I could not get married.
What about the
also.
half marriage you said? Half marriage?
Half marriage?
This is like the Chetan Bhagat's half girlfriend.
Yeah, somewhat like that. Yeah.
A woman said maybe. And you thought that's okay. शादी का बंदोबस्त कर लो. She said maybe, शायद. Excellent, great. You know, honestly, we are joking about him, but he's been a tribute to the show. I would call him in the top 5 performers of our entire unit. Top 5 for sure. Well done.
There
Kunal
are only
Chikra.
5.
There are only 4
हाँ, तो मैं
people.
सही बोला ना. I can count. कनीज भी है भाई.
Okay.
और मैं.
No, there is.
अच्छा,
You're
he's-
counting him also as a performer.
No, I was
See,
not, but he.
They do this. They praise you in reverse. I always like that. They're praising me, but it's a reverse praise. You'll pick it up. You'll pick it up. Let's move to Gopal.
Hi, I am a romantic man. तो काम करने का क्या है मन बन जाता है. No, I cannot.
Gopal, of course, Gopal Dutt, who is now established as the king of the OTT platform. You'll see him on 1 out of 2 shows without stopping, and he got his breaks on this show. Yes,
Yes.
he's a revered actor, a trained actor, overtrained for our show, but as we keep telling him, cut down, unnecessary hair. But let's hear from his own words, Gopal Dutt. Sir,
Yeah. So when I joined this show, before joining this show, I thought acting is a serious business.
Hanji.
Then I met you and everyone knows what happened after that.
तो ये तारीफ है या criticism है? मैं confused हो गया इसमें. I'm not clear. What stands out from the 15 years association with the brand? Something that for yourself personally that you remember.
That I have no idea because when I come here every morning I am in half sleep and I have no idea what I am doing. So it's up to you, Cyrus, and the viewers. Then they will.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए. We do not drug our performers before they perform. What he's saying is not exactly what he's trying to say.
Yeah, I am saying we shoot too early. Too early, I mean, too early in the morning. Why?
And in too much cold.
Too much cold and it's freezing here.
And sometimes you're wearing very little, just a langot and doing a headstand and performing. I do understand that you
Yeah.
have done some ridiculous
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah. Let's get back to you, sir, for a second. Your career has boomed.
Yeah.
Okay, you were not getting that much work in, say, early 2007-8, and today you have to say no. It's complete opposite. So, would you say that week that wasn't is responsible?
Not at all. Not at all. I must tell you. No.
कहने का मतलब क्या है?
कहने
What are you
का-
saying?
कहने
Okay,
का-
he was lucky that people didn't see the show, and
Yeah.
that's why he got the work.
Yes.
I told you, dear viewer, there's a reverse Tarif style that we do here. You know, so you have to pick it up. You have to understand. It's like Shakespeare. Nothing is clear. You have to understand the layer thinking of each performer here.
Correct.
I take that as a tribute and as a perfect piece of praise from you, sir.
It's
But
up to you, Cyrus.
What was
I
the
am
most
not-
challenging acting that you've had to do? Anything that you remember? Is there anything that where you felt कि ये boss
on this show?
on this show?
Challenge.
Challenge is earlier the challenge was how to read the teleprompter. But now I have mastered this art.
Okay, Gopal, anything you want to improve in the show? This is your last chance.
I want to change the anchor.
I think it's a good idea.
It's a great idea.
What a sense of humor, yeah, guys.
Huh? No?
What a sense of humor.
What do you
Gopal,
say?
Gopal, you want to anchor the show?
I can.
ये और टाई लगाने का है और है क्या
और
उसमें?
है क्या
बाकी तो
teleprompter
सब
पढ़ना है और
teleprompter।
बात करना है।
You are writing it. There is a teleprompter.
Yeah.
Just wear a good tie and
Yeah,
you can
true,
anchor the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, I feel like crying. Not with anger, with sadness and happiness at the same time. Because the love I'm getting from them at the moment, because I know what they're saying is that you are unbelievable and no one can replace you, and hence we are saying this. Again, I'm picking up what the nuances that I
मैं
hope
बोला
you
ना इसको हिंदी समझती नहीं है
तो हिंदी में बात नहीं
इंग्लिश
किया
समझ भी नहीं है
हिंदी में अंग्रेजी में बात किया Gopal, that was great. Thank you very much for being with us for 15 years, and I hope it continues. But
I
let's-
will continue to raise the bar and don't worry.
Thank
about
you
that.
so much.
I'll raise the bar.
If you don't mind talking about the bar, which fell a little bit, Mohit Mahale was forced to become an actor.
Yeah.
He's our producer actually, but now he's actor, tailor, producer, makeup, lighting, sab kuch.
So it started with me coming on the set, giving you a chit,
Yeah.
and slowly you dragged me into it. And my first dialogue was that
And
was.
it was a huge hit.
Huge.
हाँ,
It was dubbed in many languages.
27.
हाँ, 27 languages. Much cheaper. Go to the second floor and see my painting.
The second floor of the gallery.
Oh no, second floor bathroom. Hard work has paid off.
Opportunity that you make a sort of jive.
Acha,
with
by the way,
someone. Haan,
wait,
haan.
that red banyan is mine. Okay? We've all shared it because we have no costume budget at all.
Yes.
That banyan has been voted for FIFA most of the time.
Yes. One
Okay?
sec. Can
And
I interrupt?
it's been-
Can I just say one thing about the red banyan? I think Gopal brought this up, and it's not a
Yeah.
joke. he actually said we can change the title from The Week That Wasn't to Red Banyan. Because it's played so many characters that Red Banyan is also...
No, my idea is we can have a full episode dedicated to that Red Banyan.
Yeah, that's...
All the characters, everyone has.
No, we can appeal to a sponsor who's a banyan company.
But they don't make red banyans. Some look white banyan banate.
No, so that's the
So we'll
difference,
change it?
the red banyan.
Somebody sponsors will do it.
Or we can just make it a black and white show. In which case, if the red banyan is white. Yo,
Yeah,
guys,
correct,
we are thinking
correct.
on the spot
Whoa,
here. Genius.
we are-
For money, we are ready to do anything.
Of course. Mohit, speaking of that, you don't get paid as an actor here. So how do you feel about that?
It's a very touchy thing.
But do you feel you've grown? Unlike these two, you've
And
grown as
you
an actor.
think that I am
Take
getting
off-
paid?
Sorry, you are here to train
Who
us.
is getting-
You're playing the role of the adhyapak, the guru, the teacher,
He's the mentor.
the mentor. Yeah, correct. So you are on the other hand actually working, and you're working in 4 jobs. You are like the Hardik Pandya, Kapil Dev sort of situation here.
Yes.
So you're doing everything, all rounder. So, aap batao, sir, what do you feel after so many years that you've grown as an actor, because you've done so many great things now and you're doing full links on your own?
Yes, but I still don't tell people that I do this show.
Sharam ki baat hai. Let's keep it between us. But we will come back, we'll take a break, and then we'll talk about the contribution of Kaniz and the greatest actor India's ever seen. And we're all laughing here. Welcome back to the week that wasn't after 15 years. Just smile on everybody's face. Joyous occasion. Beautiful team bonding. The way we guys, work. So guys, I want to thank you. But let's talk about Kaniz, who's been missing. She's now become I think she's been signed by a South African studio, where she's basically a voiceover artist. So she's moved to that. But what a great talent Kaniz, no?
This is India. I've just reached West Virginia. मैं आपका मौसम लड़की है कनीज मैं कल तुम्हारा देखा बहुत ही ठंडा है जब आप देख ये गड़न मैप पे है कौन डाला
But I will tell you one thing is that we have to first ask ourselves why is she missing. 2 is that she went to South Africa, but I think she's back and none of us know that she's back.
Yeah.
I don't have a South African number, so I couldn't call her, so I'm off the hook.
But you are the one who was supposed to call her.
No, we had a conversation saying one of us should call her. Nobody said who that one would be. We left it open.
Or did she leave because she did not want to listen, didn't want a call from Cyrus?
Yes.
No, I'll tell you why.
I think
Because
she-
of the overshadowing
she has blocked
nature.
Cyrus. She has
Overshadowing nature.
But she began with weather. You all are forgetting weather.
Weather,
Where it was only the Hindi and the bad weather and the numbers
Yeah,
and all
yeah,
that was there.
She came iconic, but that weather
know.
gag of hers is just every time somebody shares it on WhatsApp, it goes viral.
Yeah.
It's gone viral some 75 times.
Every
already.
time the Weather Bureau in India gets it wrong, they call up Kaniz and blame her. And I appreciate that. That's also a way of showing respect to us.
Correct.
What did you learn from her, Gopal? You were telling me that Kaniz is the best female
Yeah,
actress you.
before meeting Kaniz, I learned from the drama school and other places from theatre that the language is the main tool of your acting. But when I met Kaniz,
It's not even there. वो है नहीं. पूरा एक bag में है
so
नहीं.
I learned that you don't need language.
वो सब एक वहम था.
वो वहम था, वो सब झूठ जिसने भी मुझे वहाँ पढ़ाया वो सब झूठ
बोल रहे थे.
When I first met her, she didn't know where the camera was. She did the whole show looking sideways.
Yeah.
And we thought
And
that was
it
part
was
of her
a
act.
hit
It was a
episode.
huge hit. Her right ear was more famous than Kunal's face.
Yeah.
And rightly so.
and beautiful also.
Of course, that's no question. Aesthetics, though, come on, yaar. You cannot challenge that.
Yeah.
Working with her, we have done collective efforts with her a lot, especially without Kunal, who doesn't like working with other actors, but the two of you.
But there have been instances where Kunal was working as a husband and Kaniz was the wife. There were a couple of gags, and if Kaniz made a fumble and we had to reshoot the gag, the best reaction was Kunal's. Prompter is there, just read it.
On the rare occasion, Kunal makes the fumble. Then what happens?
I never make a fumble. My fumbles are intentional.
You fumble
Then
through.
it's a prompter's problem.
Well done, Kaniz. Well played. But it's time to talk about the man, the myth, the legend, the Shehenshah, the greatest of all time, the one and only. He's above all. Ek hi hai. Uppar dekh lo. All those things.
Matosh.
No, below him, Cyrus, myself. I have given my heart and soul to the show, as you know. And just to tell you my as we say, I was able to tell one of my best friends and closest companions in the business. They say the two firehouses and powerhouses of Indian cinema or entertainment came together because of me. Take a look at this.
Hi, this is Amitabh Bachchan, and this is a promo link for the week that wasn't. It's 9 years a week that wasn't. It's Cyrus Bachchan.
It's really Amitabh Bachchan.
It's really Cyrus, you know.
But it really is him.
Yeah.
See, I'm going to touch him now, and it's Mr. Bachchan. Just make it sound, sir. Again.
We all are real.
But Mr. Bachchan never came near Cyrus Brocha after this again.
Did you,
was a
Kunal?
great-
Did
it
you
was a
interview
great
Amitabh
VFX.
Bachchan? Gopal, did you interview Amitabh Bachchan? Mohit, did you interview Amitabh Bachchan?
No, I'm saying it was a great VFX.
Great
It
VFX.
looks
We are in
like
touch.
real.
Through Twitter. We are in touch. Okay. We are close. But it's so nice of him to come on the show. And then the show obviously has some standard, yaar. Amitabh is not going to come and endorse it in a way without being, knowing that the show is decently, not so badly terrible and not horrible, but somewhere in the middle of below average and horrible, terrible. Right? Fair enough? Can I talk about my greatness for 2 minutes if you don't mind? Because I've done lots of acting jobs. I played lots of characters.
Let's
I
leave,
want
no?
to quickly
I want to
show
pee
everybody
also.
what
Come on.
Cyrus Brocha has done in a show called The Week That Wasn't with Cyrus Brocha. Take a look.
Interviews that shouldn't, breaking news that isn't, of fake stories and rubbish views, features headlines you cannot use.
All right, folks, we can't afford a live band at the moment. It's either the suit or the live band. Friday's performance not so good. They forgot all their words. Iron Maiden was a bit rusty. In India, all actors are overpaid. So my name is Flat Man, son of Batman after he got hit by a steamroller. Best in the world, may I say. I've been suffering for 15 years.
I only put the anchoring bit.
Okay, so no acting bit?
Okay, one sec.
None
Are
of
you all
the acting
acting?
bit, guys?
Are you all acting? We are all being telling the truth.
We are gonna act.
Now we have hit the fourth dimension. We don't know what they are doing. We're trying to figure out. Are you trying to screw with the anchor, or are you actually just saying something?
We are breaking the fifth wall.
The fifth wall. Oh yeah, Diwar Part 5. It's time for us to say bye. 15 years have gone. Well done. I'm going to just end now with going back to the studio, and I believe there's some breaking news. But before I do that, here's the contracts for continuation. So will you sign it now? Obviously you will. 15 years together.
This is the contract for
Continuing the show the week that was in year 16.
York's
Yeah, that's
copy.
right.
Your copy.
That's right. You can show it to the audience since you've gone ahead and opened it nicely and made sure everybody can see it. Guys, can you just sign it fast? I want to go back to the studio and end the show.
You sign.
Gopal, sign karo, sign. Maro, sign. Come on, do it fast, yaar. You don't have time.
तू sign कर रहा है पागल है क्या?
Oi, टूट गया.
Correct.
All right, we say bye then to Gopal, Kunal, Mohit, Kaniz, of course, far away. And we have some breaking news on our 15th episode. This is path breaking. I'm told we have to share it with the viewers. Let's go straight to Gopal, who's actually got the news. Gopal, what's happening?
Cyrus, breaking news is standing with me. He is this man is the breaking news. Matos, happy 15th anniversary to you, first of all.
No, mine is 11 years completed.
अरे तेरा नहीं idiot, not your wedding anniversary. Our anniversary, हम लोगों का.
See, I'm not married to you.
हैं?
I'm not married to you.
Cyrus, he is thinking, अबे यार, मातोश, 15 साल हो गए हैं TW week that wasn't को 15 साल हो गए उसका anniversary.
Then say like that ना कि 15 years of week that wasn't completed. How you say marry?
अच्छा, okay, don't tell me how to say things. So tell me, how do you feel?
It's better news for the man you.
हैं?
तो better news ना कि 15 साल हो गए. 15 साल क्या अपने?
हाँ, लेकिन better news क्या है?
हाँ. Better news, channel wants fresh blood. So fresh blood.
Fresh blood.
हाँ, like the enthusiastic.
अच्छा.
Plus.
So what is the fresh? What is the news?
I am replacing the Kunal Vijaykar as a director.
You are replacing the
Yes, the Happy New Year
director,
shot.
Kunal Vijaykar.
Yes, the 15 years the new.
मातोस, बहुत बढ़िया.
New blood
बहुत
from the
बढ़िया.
16th year.
What a news. अब show अच्छा हो जाएगा. Now the show is going to be funnier, crisper, intellectually superb.
Now I am going to the state and say
What?
I am the director.
Right now.
Right now. Chal, I'm going.
हैं? अभी अरे ऐसे नहीं मातोस ऐसे नहीं करते मातोस.
Wow. Give me a second. Raju, Mobizox painkiller. Because, guys, this is breaking news for us, but it's also difficult to digest. So give me some time. But thank you for being with us for 15 years. We're trying for the next 15 years. We may have a few changes. Parivartan, as we say in Hindi. I can't control all that. I'm so sorry. But thank you. It's been a great 15 years thanks to you guys. Thank you so much.
अरे मातोस नहीं ऐसे नहीं करते ऐसे कट नहीं बोलते
फिर कैसे बोलते हैं?
कट ऐसे नहीं ऐसे गाइस नया डायरेक्टर बना ऐसे नहीं करते चुप ऐसे नहीं करते चुप अरे ऐसे कट नहीं बोलते सॉरी गाइस नया डायरेक्टर है
अब जोर से बात नहीं करते ना प्यार से बात करने का ना वो क्या डायरेक्टर है